How to download GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop for free. So if you want to download the GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop, then you need to simply go for the search under your browser and then you need to search for Rockstar. And once you've searched, it will directly take you to the dashboard of your GTA. What you need to do is you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that search. Go for the search, and here under the search for Rockstar Games, you need to search for San Andreas and hit the enter. And once you've searched, here you will have the San Andreas, right? You need to click on that game, and once you click on that game, here on the left or the right, you will have some description. So under the right, you will have the game description. You can simply read the description, and under the left, you will have buy now option. Click on buy now, and here you need to scroll down, and here you will have buy now option on the bottom left. Click on that buy now, and once you click on that, it will ask you to sign into your Rockstar account, and you need to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, it will ask you to choose your payment method. You can simply write your card details and click on the continue option, and once you enter your card details, you can buy the game. Once you buy the game, or once you download that, you can simply open up that download from your files, and once you open that, you will install the application or you will install the game. So that's how you can download the GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.